How to advertise your business on Facebook. Promote your business for free. Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can advertise your business using Facebook. Let's get into it. First of all, if you have an account on Facebook, if you have a page on Facebook, then you know that Facebook has a lot of different tools that we can use. We have our own ad center available that allows us to create our own ads. When it comes to a business, even on any other website, if you have a Wix store, if you have a Shopify store, if you have a physical store, Facebook can be the tool for you to help you promote your business for free. There is no pricing plan for Facebook. We know that Facebook is a social media platform, but now it also helps us to build our business. So let me show you how we advertise our business on Facebook for free and how we get all of the different tools that you will be getting on highly paid promotional or advertising softwares. So let's get into it. This is my Facebook page. This is for a skincare brand, and I'll show you how we create an ad and promote this business. So with a Facebook page, you will get your manager right here. So you will be able to manage your business. Here we have our ad center and we have create ad option. So this allows me to create an ad on Facebook, and we also have this promote button right here. As an admin, you will get these options. So if I click on promote as well, it will take me to my Facebook ad manager, or you can directly go to facebook.com/ad center. So here we have two types of promotion that we can do. We have automated ads, get personalized ads that adjust over time to help you get better results. Then we have choose ad type. Get started by selecting your own ad type and promoting your business. So we also have our Meta Business Suite. So Meta Business Suite is our, of course, as you can tell by the name, it's a suite where we get all of the different tools. We have our Facebook Insights here, we have our Facebook ads here, and a lot of Facebook Planner, a lot of different tools within. You can see we have Inbox, we have Insights. If I click on all tools, then you'll be able to also connect different types of apps to your Facebook. So it's business.facebook.com. I will also open it up to show you how different types of options are available here to advertise our business. So let's get back to creating an ad. Get started with an automated ad or create a new ad. So I'm going to click on create new ad here. And now we will create an ad. First of all, we have to create an ad and we have to enter the description of what we are doing. So I'm going to enter the description for a new ad because we are actually launching our new products, and I want to add that here. So I have added the description right here. Now we have to select the media. Now in an ad, it's actually very important to add a video or an image. So we're going to select the media. You can also select the media from your page that you have. So I have selected this image right here, which represents our brand. Moving on, we have the headline. So the headline is going to be the same headline for my, page name. I want it to pop out so that people can know our brand name. Then we have a button label. So you can see on Facebook, whenever we see an ad, there is a button next to it. And you can also see in the preview, you can see this is a preview right here. So it will show me the previews if I will check it. So you can see we have different buttons. We have call now, apply now, book now, contact us, download, request, and more. So I'm going to go with send message because you can order through message as well. Moving on, we have advantage plus creative. So this is going to be a leverage Facebook's data to automatically deliver different ad creative variations to people when likely to improve performance. So this is for Facebook. If you want Facebook to automatically go to someone that is actually looking for this kind of product, then of course you can use this option. Then we have special ad category. So if this ad is a employment ad, if this ad is a social issue ad, then you can actually go ahead and use this feature right here. But we are not creating that kind of ad, so I'm going to leave this option. Moving on, because I'm going with a message option, I said message now. So they're giving me the message now, apps. We have Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp to contact. So I can connect these platforms to get the messages, and this is going to be the welcome message that my viewers, my customers will receive. So we have, hi, please let us know how we can help you. And then we have like, can I make a purchase? I'm interested. So then we have this kind of response available too. So this is for the messaging. Then we have audience. Now selecting an audience is an important part of an ad and for promoting our product. So in audience, you need to select what audience you are targeting. So I'm going to go to the audience detail here. We have all men or women. So I am actually targeting women because we sell women products. So that makes sense. And we can also select an age group. So my age group is actually till 55, and you can use these products if you are 20 plus. So that's why I'm going to target my audience here. We can also select a location. Then we have detailed targeting. So for that, you can browse as well. You can scroll down to audience definition too. So this is how you target audience with your Facebook ad. So if you sell maybe a men based product, then you can of course select men in your audience. Moving on, we have duration. Now, this is where we will select the budget and the payment for our ad that we are going to run on Facebook. In duration, you will be able to select the days you want to run the ad for. So I'm going to select 7 days. This is going to be the end date. Then we have a daily budget. So you can actually select your daily budget right here. So if I change my daily budget to, let's say my daily budget is $10 or $20 for 7 days, then I will be able to target more audience. So that actually depends. What I'm going to do is let's actually, so you can change your currency here as well. I have selected my currency, and if I say that my budget is in this currency, my budget is 1000 right here. So you can see this is a daily budget, and now I will be able to actually target 10,000 people with my ad. This is going to be the reach per day. So if I increase the budget, of course, then I will be able to reach more and more people. So this is how it is on Facebook. It's not that expensive. The marketing, it totally depends on you what kind of budget you want to go for, and you can actually start your marketing from just $1. Moving on, we have our placements. So this is where I will be getting my orders, and you just need to update everything. So this is how we create an ad. Now you can get a ad preview right here as well. Click on promote now at the bottom right here, and your ad will be created. So let me take you to Meta Business Suite right here to show you how the campaigns work. So this is our Meta Business Suite, and if I take you to home now, in Meta Business Suite, we can actually not only create ads, but we can also plan our content. That also helps us actually increase the productivity of our business that we have. I can create posts right here, professional posts. When it comes to the promotion, we have like different tools available, such as we have our own ads reporting available too. So this is how the marketing works on Facebook. You can actually use the Meta Business Suite for free. Go to business.facebook.com and start creating your ads right now, and you will be able to promote your business. When it comes to selecting a budget, because we selected a budget, and you might think that okay, it's not for free, but that's the thing. You will be able to promote your create ads, professional ads, with just $1 or $2. And even if you don't want to use that, you can use the content planner to actually create professional campaigns and run them on Facebook right here. And this way, you will be able to promote your business professionally with a free platform, which is Facebook. Go ahead and check it out. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.